Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the timeout badge indoors. This achievement marks your ability to outlast one of the game's most formidable challenges, demanding focus and quick reactions. We will cover everything you need to know, from preparation to the final steps. Prepare to test your nerves and patience as we conquer this elusive goal together. Before attempting this badge, make sure your preparations are solid. A reliable flashlight is crucial for navigating the dimly lit corridors and spotting important details. Take some time to learn the common room layouts, especially those around doors 45 and 55, as this knowledge significantly boosts your chances. Having a skeleton key can also provide a strategic advantage, allowing quicker access through certain locked doors. The timeout badge fundamentally involves a specific chase sequence. Once you trigger this event, typically around door 45 or door 50, audio cues become your best friend. Listen for the distinct growling and rumbling sounds that indicate the entity's approach. Your goal is to keep moving forward, quickly identifying open doors and never turning back. Maintain a steady sprint, but be ready to make split-second decisions about your path. During the chase, effective evasion is paramount. When the entity gets too close, you must swiftly enter a hiding spot, like a wardrobe or a vent, for a brief moment. Remember to exit as soon as it passes, usually after about 3 seconds, to avoid other threats. Continuously observe your surroundings and the entity's path. This foresight will help you predict its movements and choose the safest route through the labyrinthine hotel rooms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.